The Joho Wood Depot.
Weirdo. Have you ever tried this gum?
No.
And again, this is the saying, for those who know, you know. Yeah. Here, try it, try it.
Okay.
Doesn't it taste like soap?
It tastes like...
Did you swallow it?
It wasn't a candy?
Oh, did you swallow? It's gum.
No, I got it.
Oh.
It tastes like an apothecary table.
You know what? I don't know what that tastes like.
You've never sampled an apothecary?
Okay, but no, really. What do you think? We used to
It's not bad.
I think it's a love-hate thing.
It's running out of its flavor
In like
faster than a
seconds.
chiclet in a desert.
Faster than double. So what he tried. And anybody who knows what it is, comment in the section below. I don't know if it's Canadian or American or where the heck this came from, but it needs to be gone in the garbage.
Hey everybody, I'm Mark.
I'm Lisa.
And
we're the Yohos. Actually, we're the gray team.
Oh no, we've done it again.
Yeah, we're even sitting on a gray couch. We're wearing the same thing. Yet again.
It's
So,
because we're in the Joho sink.
that's a big sink.
S-Y-N-C.
There you go.
So part 3.
Yeah, part 3.
Not a lot of progress last week.
It's a lot of
Visually.
little, yeah, and it's a lot of little things.
It's a lot more difficult to build things like these walls when you've got something stationary already there, like the laundry basin.
Absolutely.
So all the plumbing's already in there. So now I've got to kind of work around that. And I wanted to do that because the laundry basin move, there's not a lot of room. So I wanted to make sure the laundry basin was in a position where I could build a wall beside it and still get drywall beside it. So there was a lot of measuring, a lot of finagling, but this video is going to show it all.
And then some.
Right?
And I'm going to be honest, I didn't really do much this video except for make lunch.
Oh, she did some very important things.
Make lunch, bring down water and drinks. Mark doesn't scare easily. So every time I see him with his headset on, and I know it's like, I don't know, some kind of metal music in his brain he's listening to so loud that I try to scare him every single time. And you'll see all he does is look and smile. Me, I scream like the whole neighborhood hears me if I get scared.
The walls against the foundation. These are the two hardest walls for building, just because there's all of the existing plumbing that's still there. The water heater side, lots of measuring, making sure that things are going to line up and be straight. The washer dryer wall, there was only about 7/8 of an inch difference between the two.
Not worth it.
So I thought, why am I going to torture ourselves with having extra things
like
to drywall,
exactly.
right? So I just brought that wall out further behind the washer dryer and made it level so that the drywall will go perfectly in front of all those drainage pipes and clear them. I made this dust collection system for the workshop, and guys, let me know. Comment in the section below if you'd like to see a video on that, because I have some stills of when I built it, but let me know if you'd like to see a full video because it's pretty cool. It's just a shop vac and it has enough power to pull the dust in. So it's a pretty cool system to have down there. Come join me in the Joho disaster zone. This is one thing I don't like about wintertime building. But the Joho exhaust system is always on duty. Oh! Okay. Okay. Thread the needle. Thread the needle, little boy. Thread the needle. Thread the needle like a toy. Uh-oh. It's okay. Better too long than too short. That's what we say in the Joho business. Box it in, box it in. Oh, it's going to turn into a Three Stooges.
Whoa.
Can we talk about tool belts for a second?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Listen, the right tool belt is so important. So I had a great tool belt, don't get me wrong. This thing was cool. It served its purpose. But honestly, it really starts to get on your lower back after a long time. And this Joho's not getting any younger. Lisa got me the ultimate tool belt. Of course, it's DeWalt, but let me tell you, it is amazing. Not sponsored. It hangs, it has the spender straps, it pulls all the weight off of your midsection and just distributes it perfectly.
It does what? Pulls all your weight where? What?
Pulls all the weight off of your midsection.
No, but really, you are right. And I mean, it is a bit dramatic, these tool bags that you have on either side, but they're very handy.
Well, they come apart quite easily too. They detach.
Exactly.
You can throw on a drill holster if you want on one side. You can have 2 drill holsters on either side. Oh yeah, thank you for that, by the way.
Yeah, did I breathe on you?
A little bit. That's all right.
Okay. Hi. What is it? Can I help you? Oh, is it treat time? I'm cutting mushrooms. Smell, smell. It's a mushroom. You don't like mushrooms. There's no cheese here. She's on a strict diet, this girl. Hello?
Oh, hi there.
Guess what we're gonna have for dinner?
Frozen pizza.
Yes! A souped up frozen pizza.
Because when you know,
Yeah, no. Oh, wow, that looks great up in that corner.
it's good, right?
Yeah.
And
Wow.
and then what will happen is then on this side, the drywall will go in and
Oh, I see what you've done. Yep,
just fit in there like that.
yep.
And then when we put this side in, it'll fit on this side like that.
That's awesome. This is what our 7 a.m. looks like. I've been up for probably since 6, and Mark, it wasn't even the butt crack of dawn, because this is the butt crack of dawn.
Somewhere in the world it was.
Yeah. Happy Sunday. Are we getting wood today?
Yes, we are. We're getting 2x4s to finish building off the wall. Getting some
Nice.
electrical supplies.
How about some drywall or no?
No drywall today. My body can't do it.
I guess so. I'm of no help either, right? So.
From yesterday. That's okay. That's okay. New design. I'm happy to do the build. Got my anchors. 3D House of Lumber.
Another load of wood. Her first time being out since last year.
The smells of spring.
Yep. Your poor old knees.
It's a result of many years of foolish knee behavior. Let's talk about concrete anchors. Very crucial to have the right concrete anchors to hold your wall to the floor. Not only that, but getting one set with its own masonry bit included.
That would be a bonus.
That's key. Because these masonry bits, they don't last very long unless you're getting something that's like diamond tipped and really expensive. I'm not about that. So these bit sets that come, it just makes enough of a hole for the masonry bit, the concrete anchor, the screw, to grab onto the concrete inside and holds it there permanently until you want it to go. The ones I used are 1/4 inch by 2 3/4 inch, so an excellent size for framing and a non-load bearing wall.
You know what my favorite part was?
What's that, dear?
When you vacuumed.
And just like that.
Do you just use a regular drill? Can you?
Yeah, you know what? For anything to do with concrete, you want to use an impact or a hammer drill.
Oh, and it's a horrid noise, people.
Oh, it's so good.
I turned down the volume on these videos, and it's a horrid noise. He can't hear it because he's got his headset on.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I think this next part should go pretty fast.
Oh, 100%.
Not that we need it to go fast, but I think there's going to be a lot of progress in the next video. Hopefully that you'll be able to see. That's really, you go, oh wow, that's
totally, yeah.
starting to take shape.
Those back 2 walls were very finicky. We're also going to put an additional wall on the other side of the water heater to allow for some more storage and some cabinetry.
Oh, and then I can show you guys the design plan. Oh, I'm so excited.
It's pretty nice.
I just want to, like I say, I want to make it pretty. I want to walk down there and go, ah. And I mean, we have 2 girls, so they're going to feel that same joy, if there's any joy in doing laundry. Spoiler alert. It's not going to be yellow like the existing insulation that's down there. Well, everyone, that's it. That wraps up episode 3 of our laundry room makeover. I guess it's a renovation more than it is a makeover at this point.
Pretty excited about the next sections that's coming up.
I'm really excited.
Yeah. The rest of the walls are going to go up really quickly, and then we move on to drywalling.
I don't know if we should do tile or if we should do like a laminate floor or...
Oh, floor sounds like a good idea.
Maybe. We'll see. It's cold. I want to heat it.
Oh, come on.
I'm just kidding. Anyways, thanks so much, you guys, for watching.
And remember to do all the things.
Like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bells. And when you do, you'll get notified every time we upload a new video.
Thanks for being with us.
Bye, guys. Have a good one.
Bye. Alright, so measure once and unscrew 15 times.
Scare him again. He has no idea I'm here.
What? Hi! What am I doing?
What are you doing? Take 2.
Ah!
Again.
Professor!
If you guys enjoyed this video, here's a couple more for you to watch.